So, new video. My husband's got a new toy kicking out there. Let's go see what he's doing. Right. Let's go check it out. Let's see if we can sneak up on him. I guess not. Let's sneak up on him. Look at that. What you got there? Hello. So what do you got there?
Just playing around with my log splitter.
Nice.
Had it for a while, but finally got around to using it.
Nice.
Works like a champ.
Yeah, I see that. That's nice, honey.
I'm
Wow.
trying different things and seeing what it can do and what it can't do. Doesn't replace the chainsaw, but it helps the splitting.
Oh, wow.
I used to do the
That's
splitting
nice.
with this bad boy.
Oh, wow, that's a nice one, though. It's got a metal handle. Nice.
Much easier using the machine.
Yes.
Splitting this one.
Yes.
So.
This would have came in handy at the other house where we had just a wood stove to keep us warm. This is kind of nice.
What's up right now?
That's very nice.
I got a lot of wood up there. Well, not a lot. I got a little bit of wood up there that I'm splitting right now, and
You can put up.
it'll come in handy soon enough.
Yes, and what about all the trees that have fallen in the forest up there too?
Yeah,
You can even get those.
The forest that have fallen.
Yeah.
Probably won't get around to them right now or this winter, but come springtime, it's on the to-do list with quite a few other things.
But go ahead.
Come first though. In
Yeah,
the spring.
definitely. Give us a.
You want to see one?
Yeah. No, I want to see what happens here. Yeah, give us a. What do you call it? Give us a. What do you call it? Give us a preview or a.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. My mind is lost. Yeah, mine too. So, give it a go.
tool, my love.
That's a great tool for my husband. Makes his life easier.
God is good.
All the time. Ciao.
Ciao.